It's time! This fight is scheduled for 3 rounds and is brought to you by 3D Moving. First, fighting out of the blue corner. This is an MMA fighter with a 4 wins, 7 losses. Fighting out of Kitchener, Ontario, Cat, the Cougar, Elliot! And her opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This is an MMA fighter with a record of 5 wins, 6 losses. Fighting out of Balls Over, Ontario, Shannon, the Bully, Moody! Round 1.
Fighters ready. Cat, 5. Shannon, 12. Fight! Cat Elliot is on a 2-fight win streak at the moment, while Shannon Moody is on a 2-fight losing streak.
32.
Shannon wins the first round 10-9.
Round 2.
Fighters ready. Cat Elliot, 25. Shannon Moody, 25. Fight!
11.
The second round is a draw.
Okay, we're going into a 3rd round.
Fighters ready. Cat Elliot, 35. Shannon Moody, 19. Fight!
1.
Shannon Moody wins that round, 10-9. Shannon Moody wins the fight by unanimous decision.
Moody!